natural gas. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the winner chart. We are in slightly negative MACD. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we are in slightly negative MACD and seeing signs of a diverge. As we extend that further to the daily chart, we are in positive MACD and we're also seeing signs of a diverge there. And as with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG. My trade position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $15.71, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $17.60. My stop loss is at $14.96. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $17.87, and that is this range there. My sell target is at $16.52. My stop loss is at $18.15. So whichever entry price were to hit first, that'll be my position of the week. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 75% chance to climb between 0 to 6%. To the downside, it has an 8% chance to fall between 0 to negative 6%, and a 17% chance to fall between negative 6 to negative 13%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.